how to create a Facebook account. If you want to create a Facebook account, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your Facebook app, or you can go to facebook.com. Now if you have an account, you can normally tap on login and log into your account, but since we're trying to create a new account, tap on the option create new account from the bottom. Now you can create an account with Instagram if you already have an Instagram account, but you can create an account manually as well. I'll select create account manually. Now first just tap on the get started button and type in your first name over here, and then go ahead and then make sure to type in your last name as well. So once you went ahead and then done that, tap on this little next option. Now set your birthday. Now make sure that your birthday is actually something that will make you at least over 18 years of age, otherwise you might not be eligible to use Facebook. So once you've selected your birthday, tap the next option right here, select your gender, then tap on next. After that, it will ask you to choose and enter your mobile number if you have. If you do not have your mobile number, also no worries, you can select sign up with email instead, and just choose the email address that you want to use to create your Facebook account with, then tap on the next option. After you do that, it will ask you to create a password. So once you enter your password and tap on next, your Facebook account will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to create your Facebook account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.